Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Rhea. Today I'll be unboxing the a new mail that I just got from the other day. So this is a I ordered this for from Amazon Japan. So it is well packed, and yes, it's Arteza. So I'm just trying to open the box. And what I really like these pencils for a long time already. And I have a great deal from the Amazon. So I was able to grab it. Just trying to take off the plastic, which is it is really well packed. So these are the 120 colored pencils from Arteza. There's a little bit of scratch from the tin can, but see these beautiful pencils. So yes, it's kind of I really like when I'm opening a box of pencils, and wow, these beautiful pencils. And we also do this whenever we got. I'm not sure if everyone is doing that, but it's really nice to roll the pencils from the box when you just got them. So just try the box. The tin can from the. It's a little bit like you see, but it's not a problem because I was able to put it back. Not they didn't struggle to put it back. So these bags have I'm trying to take it out because I have long nails. So if you have long nails, you'll struggle a little bit. And I just found that this red, carmine red, which have a little bit of something from the bottom of the pencil, and there's a little bit of a scratch, I think, or a little bit of pain, which doesn't bother me that much, but it's a little bit different from the other pencils, as you can see right now. So the carmine red has a little bit of not not a big problem. So I'm just checking the other pencils. Already having hard time to pull out the second layer of these pencils is because of long nails. So I might be trying to put it on a pencil box. Yeah, so just trying. Yep, was able to get it out. And I really love these colors. Look at those bright colors with blues and pinks, and that green. I really like it. So this gave me so much excitement. And this is the third layer of these pencils. I'm sorry about that. Again, trying hard to pull it out. But I like it that it is compact. Yeah, there's a bunch of greens, yellows, orange, and some grays on this layer. And also, I love this. I think this is the last layer. Oh no, it's the fourth layer. And I really like the pinks and the blues. So trying to figure out how can I pull them out. So, oops. Yes, I like the pink, the bright pink ones, and that doesn't have any problem like the carmine red does. So there are some purples, and the metallics already came from the last layer of this box. And this is really hard for me for the last layer because it's the tin can is already deep for me to get it out. So while I'll be using them, I might be taking them out from the tin can. So those are the bright violets and some metallics. I think there are four metallics on this. Five metallics. Four or five. So um yeah, I'll try to thinking another buying another pencil case because I really like the small box, the tin can box for these pencils. It's just that it's hard to pull them out. So yeah, but I really like those colors, those bright colors. And these are not arranged from the colors from the top of the tin can, which you can see right now. So that's it. And I really love this pencil. Also, there's also a um colors on the back of these. So I'll be swatching these pencils and really um looking forward to use them. I'm so happy. So yeah, Arteza pencils colored. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. And so yeah, and I like how this is laying down from the paper on the paper. It's so creamy while I was watching it. I didn't sharpen them yet, but yeah. So thank you so much, everyone, and I hope I can do a color along video tutorial for Arteza or Arteza pencils. And so yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be showing some of the pictures of these pencils. Bye.